Hey, what's up guys, Michael here with WarpDriveM. Welcome to a new episode. In today's episode we are going to find out if we will receive inspection on the Golf. So yeah, let's begin. I think the car is ready. I hope it's everything done. I've bought all the safety equipment that is required in Europe. Yeah, we have the medical set, this vest and the triangle, everything is there. The car it was clean and washed, but now it's already dirty again. The rocker panel looks good in here as well. The car is clean, and I just have to drive my car till this inspection point to take some number plates, because the car is not registered and not insured, and with that number plates I can drive the car in there legally. And but before I drive there, I want to buy some gas, because I'm not sure how old this gas in this car is, because it was parked since December 2018. Yeah, so 5-6 months now. And yeah, buy some gas. Maybe if I have time I'm gonna wash it again and drive it to inspection. So yeah, let's bring the number plates. Let's go, boys. Oh, handbrake. And we have the number plates. Let's put it on the car and take some inspection. Let's install the numbers and we are good to go. Ready to go. We have numbers rear and in the front, and it's going to be a strange drive, because it's the first time when I'm driving this car. I hope I won't find anything wrong, because it's too late. Yeah, I have to leave the car till tomorrow, because the appointment for the inspection is tomorrow, but tomorrow I'm not here, and I'm gonna leave the car from today and I will pick up tomorrow evening. So yeah, let's go buy some gas and leave the car in there. Car is on the street. It's running without any problems. Idle is still steady. So let's buckle up. And we are driving the car on the street. No funny noises till now. The brakes are a little bit soft. The pedal is a little bit soft, but I bled the brakes. It's kind of strange. Anyway, maybe I'm not used with this pedal. So we have like 4 kilometers till the next gas station, and I'm gonna check everything. So the car rides over bumps without any problem. It doesn't make any strange noises or something like that. Yep, so far so good. So I'm at the gas station. I've just bought some gas, and I was so scared because, yeah, as you can see, I've drove 4.2 kilometers, but the car started to smell very funny, and I didn't know what's happening, and it was just the brakes, because I've put new brakes and I completely forgot that I didn't drive the car. So yeah, till now everything normal. So let's leave the car in there and job done. So after 8.8 kilometers, the car drives fine. I don't have any problems. I didn't found any new problems. I am a little bit scared about the brakes. I'm not sure why it's that soft, the pedal. The brakes are working, but the feeling is kind of a little bit strange. So I'm here, yeah. but now I'm just going to send it. I'm gonna park the car in here, and let's hope we won't have any problems. The temperature, everything okay, the idle is steady, so let's hope for the best. And of course I forgot something at home. I have a document that said that I'm allowed to drive this car with these alloy wheels, and they need this document for the inspection. So luckily I'm living not that far from this inspection station, so yeah, I'm gonna drop that, and tomorrow I'm gonna pick the car with a new inspection. No more if and but and something like that. I'm gonna pick the car with new inspection. So this is the document that I need, yeah, for the wheels. I'm gonna drop that now. A lot of sweat and blood from the golf in there. I'm going to park my car back, and after that I need to cut the grass. I freaking hate that job. Now let's pick up the car. I'm going straight to pick up the car now. We are here, boys. Let's go inside and pick up the car. We are taking the car home. No luck this time. We don't have any inspection. I'm gonna tell you at home why it didn't pass. And the car is back on the repair shop. So yeah, it didn't pass. It's kind of strange because let me show you something. This is the document that said in here you can translate it. It's a pass, no errors on the engine side. This is for the gas. I'm not sure how to translate this in English. So anyway, everything it's working fine. The engine has no problem at all. And in here, this is the car, yeah, and these are the problems that they found on the car. So pretty much nothing. They said the document that I have for the wheels is not okay. So after that, the tires are too old, okay, and they found a few drops of oil. I'm not sure where, I have to look. They said the rocker panel on the other side, not this one that is repaired, the other side has a few rust spots. I'm not sure because I looked and there was no rust spot. I have to look again. And the brakes, like I said, brakes, yeah, on the rear are, it said here is working too hard. It's not working, it's going too slow, yeah. And the right side, it doesn't work at all, it said here. So I've noticed that when I've changed the brakes, I already said in the video that I couldn't press the pistons in the caliper, and I think the pistons are done because the car was sitting too much time. I think I have to replace the calipers in the rear, and that's about it. And again here tires are I'm not sure how to translate this. are used on this. The whole exterior side is too sanded. Yeah, it is too rough. As you can see in here, this is the part where the tire should look like. Yeah, this is how it should look like. And from here, as you can see, because of the road, and I have no idea, but as you can see clearly here, the tires are in pretty bad shape. Anyway, so, and I've noticed that they said as well that the exhaust, the end part, is wrong installed, and it's hitting the underside of the car. So I'm not sure about that, because it's just one way to install the exhaust. I'm gonna have a look again, but it's not that bad, because I've already paid for the inspection and I have a month, I think. Yeah, look at that here. I just have to resolve this. So pretty much I just have to change the calipers in the back and put standard wheels, because they don't like these alloy wheels. I'm not sure. So yeah, this is Germany. It's very hard to have any modifications on the car. It's kind of crazy, really, because as long as these wheels are on the market and you can buy these wheels and you can fit these wheels on the car, and you receive this ABE, this document, they normally should let you drive the car with these wheels, but they don't let you do anything, just what from the factory comes. It's kind of strange. Yeah, I'm a little bit sad, but like you see in here, it's just for nothing. Just the tires are in not a good shape, and the brakes, yeah, maybe that's could be a problem, but other than that, it's for nothing. So anyway, the saga will continue.